Hi kindergarten, it's Miss Rodriguez. Today's learning goal is to represent and write teen numbers. So first I'm going to go over our numbers counting the regular way. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we see our 10 frame cards. We have 2 of them here. The one is full of 10 dots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put 10 right here. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So 10 and 3. We see 10 ones, and then we see 3 ones. So if we put that together, that's 10. 3 equals 13. Let's look at the next one. So we see our 10 frame again full. We have 10 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know 10 is going to go underneath this frame, just like in this one. So how many are we going to have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to have 10 and 5. 10, 5, and then we have 15. So now we're going to say 10 using number bonds. Okay, well, let's go back. All right, so we know that this is our whole. Let's count how many beans we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, it's a lot of beans. So I know I see my beans in 2 parts. I see red beans and white beans. So I know I'm going to have 10 in my one part here, 5 in the other part, just like they have it right here. So we have 10 red beans, 5 white beans. So if we remove those beans, we can put the number 15 here. And then we're going to finish our number bond by writing the numbers after we remove the beans. Okay, so I want to go over some of this work that you're going to see in your homework. All right, so each number bond has a set of either hide 0 cards or the frames. So let's look at the first one. The first one has 10. So we know 10 is going to be our whole. So if 10 is our whole, I don't see any ones. So I think that's just going to be a 0. Because if we put these 2 together, 10 and 0 make 10. Let's look at the next one. We have 10, and then we have 1. So that's 10 ones and then 1 1. Those are going to be my 2 parts. So 10 and 1 equal 11. So we didn't get to go over a lot about our hide 0 cards, but I'm going to show you that at the end of the slide. So when you go ahead and do your work, hopefully it'll make it a little easier for you. And then hopefully you guys will be able to make your own hide 0 cards. So my 2 parts here are 10 and 2. And 10 and 2 make 12. Now let's move down to our frames. So we have 1 full frame and we know that there's 10 in that one. So that's my 1 part. And then in the other one, we have 3 dots. That's my other part. So 10 and 3 equals 13. Let's do the next few. I see 10 in that frame. 4 dots there. And I can also count them counting the say 10 way just makes it easier for us to count quicker. We could also go back and just count each dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and then the next one, we have 10, and then 5 in the next one. And then if I count both of these, we have 15 dots all together. Now I want you guys to go ahead and pause the video and try and do the last 3 on your own. Alright guys, so now we're going to count 10 ones and blank ones. So we're going to put some check marks over the 10 ones and then put a circle around the rest of the ones. Okay, so let's check off 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be our 10 ones. And then let's put a big circle around the rest of the ones that don't have check marks on it, so we know how many ones are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 10 ones and 6 ones, which would mean we have 16 hearts all together. Okay guys, so now we're just going to go over our hide 0 cards. So I'm going to explain what I mean by hide 0. So when we're counting the say 10 way, we know we're always going to have a 10 frame. So that's always going to be one of our parts. So we'll have our 10 card here. So I'm going to bring down another card. Let me see which one I'm going to use. I'll use this one. Okay, so that's going to be our other part. So let me see how many dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then let me bring the 4 up. So let's see. Our dots, we have 10 and 4. And then our cards, we have 10 and 4. So we can just hide the 0 with the 4. And then we know we have 14 dots here. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. See how simple that was? You guys can make these hide 0 cards all on your own. All you need is some index cards, write these numbers on there, and then you'll be able to do this all by yourselves at home. So let me go ahead and do one more example. So like I said, when we're counting the say 10 way, always going to have a 10 frame card. And we'll do this card. So since we know we're always going to have the 10, we'll bring that one up. And actually we'll do it, we'll just move these over. So maybe this might be a little easier to show you guys. Okay, so we have our 10, put 10 right here below it. And then, let me see, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me grab the 8 card. So 10, 8, let me put the 8 to hide the 0, and we should have 18. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, we'll do one more example, and then you guys can make these at home and have fun doing this all on your own. Okay, we'll do this one. Okay, so bring up the 10 and then 1. It's pretty easy, right? So 10, 1, let me hide the 0, and then we should have 11. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, you guys did a great job today. I'm going to continue working in your workbooks. If you have any questions, have your family members call me or text me. All right, and until next time, bye guys.